Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to replace the battery. Please make sure the machine is turned off when replacing the battery to avoid accidents. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws. Pry open the machine along the edge. Remove the outer shell. Place the new battery in the battery compartment. Make sure the positive and negative terminals on the battery match the connectors. Install the housing in the correct direction and position. Tighten the screws or retaining ring. Power on test to check if the battery is working properly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.